Testing 1, 2. Good morning, fellas. We are live. I think we're live. Testing 1, 2. Good morning, Best Guest Trading. Good morning, Traderist Chick, Vincent and Ella. Good morning, Himbo. Good morning. Wow, what a crazy morning. Wow. I think I need to start streaming at like 7 in the morning. Oh my goodness. Good morning, R5 Studios. Harry, Niles, Marty, good morning. What a wild day it has been so far. No complaints here. No complaining here, man. We are in desperate need of a green day like this. Desperate need. Oh, George Bloom, Cremature, good morning. Kanungus Fail, good morning. Matthew, EJ, Light, LJ, White, Benson, good morning. I thought the thumbnail meant you had a disaster. Well, see, that's funny because before the thumbnail, actually, kind of as I was doing, I was like, kind of a tease, you know? I have been up. I've been putting in a lot of work the last couple, actually, not so, I mean, these Apex accounts, oh man, feels good. It feels great to finally have a nice green day on these Apex accounts. I was starting to have some serious doubts that we might be at the end of the road. Now I got hope. Hopefully we can keep it going. Let's go, BPCF. Big Tick Energy, good morning. Good morning, Kiss Me I Cooked. How we doing? How we doing? Oh my goodness, look at this. It's just continuing to go. I got stopped out right here. Good grief, market. What is going on? What is going on, market? Jeez. Oh, I should have stayed in my trade. Unbelievable. Yes, Vincent Ella. Good morning, Peter Schapp. Matty Matt, good morning. I am not giving it back. I have already locked myself out of my Apex accounts. We are locked out on the Apex accounts. So, no worries. No worries. I am not trading my Apex accounts. And right now, there's a lot. I actually should have done an update. I'll do an update video tonight. There is quite a bit that happened. I'll try black coffee. Good morning, Terry. Rippin' and dippin'. Peter Schapp. Good morning, Darren Koss. Good morning, everybody. Matty Matt. But so I took a bunch of trades. So this started in right here. It started right here. I caught this move. And then I caught this move. All these dips, I was just, I mean, I was a madman. We were buying the dips, man. Bought the dip here. And then this was another one that I caught. So, I mean, sometimes it's just, I don't know. Finally, the market had some continuation. I've been waiting for it for a long time. And once those dips started getting bought up, and most of that, the 1500 was on 4 to 5 micros max. So it wasn't like I was going crazy big size. It was just very, man, it just felt great. I needed that so bad. You have no idea. I needed it real bad. Now, let's see actually what happens here at the open. Very interested here. I would not be shocked if we see a big rip lower here, but oh man, Peter Schapp, All the good trades today. Yes. No tilt allowed. Black coffee. Agreed. Why am I even streaming today? Yep, exactly, Matty Matt. Well, I made 48, locked myself out. Hey, I almost locked myself out when I was up 800. I almost locked myself out when I was up 800. And wow, look at this thing go. And then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna give myself another trade. And it was a good setup. And I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take one more trade. If it works out, great. I had a stop loss. If not, I was done for the day. And that trade worked. I mean, it was a beautiful trade. So I decided, you know what? When it's going well, why stop? But I was actually up. I was actually up 1,700. I was up 1,700, and then I got stopped out. I forget which, but that's when I decided to lock myself out. Lock it out. Lock it in. All right, market. Are we going to get up through the highs here? 22,100s. I mean, that's pretty important level here. So if we don't get through this, we could see a pretty extended pullback. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful here. Got to be careful with how volatile this market is. All right, let's see. Are we going to get through? And I could take... See if we break the 22,100s. Are we going to break? Gonna wait. AI traders, chick, we're taking that money and running. But it's not without... We had issue. When was it the last we streamed? Wednesday. Wednesday we streamed. Thursday we didn't. On Wednesday, I lost my take profit trader accounts on Wednesday. And so that made me sad. That made me sad. And that's why you see my expenses for the month of June is not looking too hot. But hey, cost of doing business. Cost of doing business, I guess. We're going to have bad months. It is what it is. Hopefully we can get one Apex payout for the month of June. That would help things, but right now it definitely is starting to look like June is definitely not going to be a great month. We need some Ben and Rose to celebrate. I know, right? I'm feeling great. Nothing's going to ruin my day. I do kind of want to get these My Funded Future accounts above like to 1,500. But these Tradeify accounts, I did reset them this morning. I reset these accounts this morning, but for some reason, I have delayed data on those accounts and I can't trade those. So I put in a support ticket and hopefully that will get fixed here pretty soon. Yeah, hopefully we will. Hopefully we'll get that fixed. Hey, good morning, Design Nap. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sure you guys all heard, but as soon as I got off stream on Wednesday, it was announced Thrive officially closed their doors. So, I mean, what can I say? Happy June 20th. That's sad though, to be honest. It is it's sad. It's sad on many levels. Thrive Trading literally lasted 35 days. That is got to be a record. All right, here we go. Break into the upside, folks. breaking through. I'm gonna wait. I want to wait and see. I'm a little bit scared that this is like a liquidity, like it's just gonna sweep through the 100s and then rip lower. I kind of want this to consolidate a little bit, but right now I'm just the only accounts that I can trade is my fund of future accounts. I can't trade these Tradeify accounts until they fix my data issue. I'm not sure what the issue. I don't know if it's the same issue as Take Profit Trader, but I don't know. Weird. Has any one of you ever had issues with delayed data on Tradeify? I've never seen anyone have that issue. How did I make so much, Niles? Overnight trading and a lot of it. I just kept buying. I kept buying all the dips and it was fun. Buy the dip and hope it rips. Yeah, it's so weird. I've never seen anyone have issues with delayed data on Tradeivate, but for some reason it shows. We need it, Niles. We are in desperate need of a good day. And we locked ourselves out, so we can't do anything stupid. Knock on wood. If this is my best PA day ever, this is probably my best PA day ever trading 14 accounts. Best day ever copy trading 14 accounts. Yeah, yes. Design. Red poker. Good morning to all the Joom lovers. I mean, I don't know even what to say. Poor Kellyanne, she's catching strays with the whole situation with Joom. Definitely not all of it unwarranted. Not all of it is unwarranted, but it's, yeah, it's unfortunate. All right, are we going to see this thing pull back or not? I kind of feel like this is, I don't like. But now we need to put together a couple nice green days like this in a row. And it just doesn't seem. It seems to be holding here. I mean, it's trying to keep going higher. It's trying. It might actually just go. This is it's been a crazy bullish this morning. Let's see if it goes. Hoping for a pullback here. How much more money do I need? I need like I need $150 more on these my funded future accounts. 150 more. Watch me now. I don't want to. I'm not even going to say it. All right, trying to get up. We did make new highs right there, 120s. Let's see if it keeps going. Let's see if she keeps going. Part of me wishes I hadn't locked myself out of my Apex accounts, to be honest. Feel like I could. But that's always where I mess up, is not knowing when to stop. Way too much lately. All right, 125s. Man, oh man. I assume this move all happened because of I guess there was some news regarding Iran that they are interested in peace talks. So no more World War III. The guy from Canada living in the Philippines business model address in the Bahamas. Exactly, design knob. Yeah, the whole thing with Thrive was, I mean, that was pretty easy to see if you ask me, but yeah, it's still I mean, it just kind of reaffirms if you're going to trade with new prop firms, you got to be careful. You just got to be very careful. I'm going to be honest, I am trying out a couple new prop firms. I mean, I might as well share who I'm going to try out. I'm not promoting them right now. I prefer to try them out first before I start really promoting them, but I'm trying out Lucid and I'm trying out the what is the name? Funding Ticks. The Funding Ticks and Lucid is kind of the two that I bought some accounts, trying them out. I don't know. I'm just going to keep an open mind on it. Not making any recommendations, but Funded Next is awesome. Ripping and dipping. Did I use code PW? I mean, I had to. I had to. Oh, man. All right, market pulling back a little bit here. If we get a pullback, we got to take it. I'm going to try 2 micros again. I am not looking for a big, just slow and just get a little bit of a Corey and Tanya have a new firm. Red Poker, stop it. How do you handle Apex when you have huge wins like this? I mean, it's you just have to stay within the 30% consistency rule. And I was calculating actually because my goal, okay, I guess there's a couple things. So these 5 accounts right here, I don't have to worry about the consistency rule anymore because I'm over the 6 payouts already, and then the consistency rule goes away. So that's invalid for that. But then the other accounts, I want to grow those to like 7,000 in profit is my goal. So then I just take $7,000 times 30%, and that is $2,100. So as long as I keep my gain below 2,100, then not a problem. It won't be a problemo. Hey, Amakre, good to see you. Yes, finally a green day. I'm so relieved. You have no idea. You have no idea how much this, like, I needed the confidence boost. I needed a nice green day. I was going to be happy with like a $600 day. And so this is very, 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 very happy. We love being green. It's been a lot of red recently. But man, I wish I could trade my Tradeify accounts. I'm going to reach out to them again and see if what the deal is. You know what other prop firm I've thought about using again? I'm going to give Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is on timeout again. I'm like to the point where I'm like, I'm kind of, it just, you know how it feels like when you keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different, I don't know what it is. I've said it many, many times. I don't know what it is about Take Profit Trader, but I just cannot for the life of me trade Take Profit Trader. I don't know why. It don't make no sense. But I keep racking up expenses like crazy, and I don't know what it is. But I always do something stupid. I always do something stupid, and right now I mean it's just bad. It's just bad. Hey, good morning, Zero Cool. You should dye your hair green. If I knew that if I dyed my hair green, it would make me have green days, I would do it in a heartbeat. Well, maybe I would just buy a wig at that point. I don't know. My wife might not approve of me having green hair, but if I tell her it's directly correlated with green days, she might reconsider. Is it Take Profit Trader or is it me? I mean, it's definitely me. It's me. It's we already established that it's me. I'm not blaming Take Profit on it. It's just I don't know what it is. Like, I think everyone, maybe I'm the only one that goes through this, but I feel like there are people, like, I feel like every trader has that one prop firm that they just, for some reason, cannot get it going. Like, it just, and it's Take Profit Trader for me. Like, it ain't even close. And I don't know. I just, at least for now, I'm over it. I tried them again. I don't know. It frustrates me, and then I start to really rack up my expenses, and I hate that. As you can see on my expenses, since Tuesday night or since Wednesday's stream, we racked up about $1,200 of expenses. So, and most of that is because I'm trying out Funded Ticks. I'm trying out Lucid. And with Lucid, I bought their direct funded account. So yeah, I mean, that's why the expenses, but I had to reset. I had to reset my MyFunded Future accounts. I had to reset my Tradeify accounts. I mean, what can you do? It sucks. It's not fun when you're blowing evals. I tell you that much. I'm really, really close to buying straight to funded Tradeify accounts. I'm really, really close. So frustrating. For you, it's Top Step. Type in the chat below. I'd love to hear what you guys say. Which prop firm is cursed for you? Yeah, Lucid is on Rhythmic only, which is the one really downside, but yeah, I'm trying them anyway. Hey, Carolina, thank you. Orlando, good morning. For me, it's every prop firm. Basil, for you, it's Top Step, JW Trading, Take Profit Trader. For you, it's Take Profit Trader, Zero Cool. Day one's on Take Profit Trader Pros. Oh yeah. That first day, Ruben says all of them. Top Step, Trade Day. Yeah, Trade Day, I lost those. Trade Day has me a little bit annoyed with some of the stuff they're doing regarding affiliate stuff, and I'm just like, you know what? If you're gonna be a pain in my, you know what, then we'll see. But I don't have the time and patience to deal with that. Yeah, it's definitely Take Profit Trader for me. But I'm actually considering You know what? Maybe we could. I guess we could. Man. Yeah, see this big, we swept through the one. I mean, we did sweep the 120s, and now we're seeing that bigger pullback. Now we just got to be patient. No, but the one prop firm that I've been like, if there's one prop firm I would love to just milk, like take like thousands and thousands of dollars from, and I've thought of it. It's Top Step. I'm really close to really close to trying out Top Step again. I've got to be in the right mental space though. I gotta be make sure that I'm trading well. I want to make sure I'm trading well, and I'm kind of over my slump. This is a really good start. And if we can next week, if we can start to put in a couple nice green days in a row, then I will I'll feel like it's confirmation that maybe just maybe we've gotten out of our slump. And Joel, that's my biggest green day ever. I don't know that I guess with funded accounts, it might be close. I'm not sure. I don't really keep track of that, but so I won't give up till I make money on Top Step. Yeah, I mean, I just want to take it. I would love to just run up. I did it. See, the thing is, I did it last year, last fall, a year ago. I got like $80,000 in payouts with Top Step, and that's kind of what I want to do. Oh, I'm tempted. All right. Okay, I'm looking for a chance here to get in. This might be it. I want to see us revisit these lows, and if we then rip, I'm going to jump in. And which we only need 100 and what, 150 on these accounts. Top Step is good for not needing to build a balance, just passing at $5 $200 days. Well, if I do use Top Step, by the way, if I do, which accounts should I use? What size? Always conflicted on which size to use. I've seen that Top Step is banning a lot more traders. I saw that Top Step is banning a lot more traders. Very similar to how I mean, it's kind of, I don't know. It's kind of weird how that's to me it's weird. It's weird how that is happening. And I mean, Apex is banning people from buying evals, and Top Step is banning people from buying evals, almost like putting people in timeout. And is it? I don't know. This is my. I don't know. It makes me think that it's just kind of weird that they're both doing it. I don't know what the deal is. Makes me think that maybe there's more to it than, because what doesn't make sense is we all know prop firms make money off of people failing. Like, we know this. So it's kind of weird that they then avoid and don't allow people to do that. Kind of. And don't trust me, don't believe it's for the best of the trader BS. I ain't buying that. Pushing traders use Top Step X platform. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Kevin B. But like Apex is doing the same thing. So it's just very weird to me. Just very odd that I don't get it. I really don't get it. It almost feels like someone is watching them, or like, and someone is, when they, I don't know. There's certain metrics that I guess are frowned upon, but I don't know by who. I have no idea. All right. We did retest this. We retested the lows here, so now I'm going to try the long. I will try a long right here above this wick. But we gotta see this thing really pump right here. Kind of what I like to see. Then the other issue is, like, see, I would have used Top Step already numerous times. I would actually probably be actively trading with Top Step right now if they allowed a Trade-of-8 Ninja Trader connection. I still do not understand why they don't. Seems just so weird. Why would they not allow a Ninja Trader connection? Why? Zero Cool. Have they banned people from buying evals without making any payouts before? I mean, I don't know for I guess I'm not that familiar with it. I just saw a couple posts. So I'm not really sure. CEOs are secretly agreeing on how to treat traders in the future. Yeah, Vincent and Ella, that's kind of what's got me thinking, but more or less, like, it almost makes me wonder if there's like someone watching over them, in a sense, like if they're being watched and if they're kind of being told what practices are going to be, I don't know, frowned upon. I don't know. Again, I have no idea. Just pure speculation. Man, are we really just gonna keep dumping now? We all know this market is dumb enough that it could just reverse this whole move. We all know this to be true. It could happen. Yeah, 6x trading. I used to be on the bandwagon of regulations are coming. I don't know, man. I've been told some things I was told some things that never came to fruition, told things that never came true. So I'm of the opinion that I'm going to wait to see actual evidence before I believe. I don't know. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Wow. Okay, I'm going to cancel this order. You're making new lows. Quite frankly, I'm just very happy to not be trapped in a long. But again, this is like, man, I am starting to get so convinced. I'm starting to get so biased, and I'm starting to just really, really dislike the New York session. And I'm starting to just really like the overnight session. It's not always great, but when it is good, it seems like it's better more frequently. The New York session just seems to be trash recently. All right, I'm going to wait for the VWAP here. See if we can get a VWAP bounce. We've been hearing regulations are coming forever and nothing came from it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Matty Matt. That's why I don't know that I'm on that bandwagon anymore. I used to be on that bandwagon that they're coming, but I don't know. I mean, I saw some things that, okay, let me say this. I do know for a 100% fact that regulations were actually happening. I did see the actual paperwork of prop firms being asked to submit certain information and statistics to regulatory bodies. I was shown that actual proof. But that was before Trump was elected. And I'm just speculating here, but I personally think with Trump being elected, I think that got put on the back burner. I think that kind of went away. I don't think that was a priority anymore. But that's just my opinion. I don't have facts on that, but I saw evidence of it before, like that was in November, December. After January, I haven't heard a peep. Nothing. Trump has a Top Step account. Trump probably has 20 accounts. Trump probably has 20 Apex accounts. Oh, that's too funny. Hopefully he used code NBT. Oh, man. That's too funny. Summertime traders, lower volatility. I mean, it usually is Vincent and Ella, but with Trump in office and our current world order and just how things stand, this could be a summer that's different. It definitely could be a little different this time around. But we shall see. Wow, that's crazy how this is just, I mean, again, this is what we've been seeing in the New York session. We see the move, and once a move starts happening, you don't really get pullbacks. It's so difficult to trade this for me. I feel like if you trade momentum, you're probably doing really well right now. Like if you just chase the move, don't really wait for a specific setup, and you just, trade support resistance. Feel like the New York session would be pretty nice, but outside of that, it's painful. Hey, I might take a stab here. Ah. We're gonna touch the VWAP. I'm gonna see if we can get back above that 20. I'll take this trade. Let's see. And I'm just looking for a what, $150 here. Hey, old school. Yes, we are definitely gonna do that. Yeah, I agree, Vincenella. I agree. Hey, thank you, Willie C. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades, take care. All right, let's see. If this is gonna bounce here or not. Just so much selling. Like, look at this Watt-Tower explosion indicator. Just nothing but selling. Feel like you should have one strategy for the overnight session and another strategy for the New York session right now in today's market. We're going to get filled here. Yep, we're in, folks. Oh, boys. Now we just need $150. I'll probably scale out here if I need to. How am I going to take my loss here? And I feel like my stop should be down here. Oh, I'm not sure I'm in the mood for that. You know what? I'm going to take my loss here if we make new lows. We need a pump. If we can break above this 25, I think we can get a push back up to this 15-minute range low. Just at least let's test it. Come on, market. Be nice to me. You stick to the same strategy always, Peter. It's called DCA and revenge trading. Oh man. Okay, right here. Pump it. Just one big move. You can do it. It's not that difficult, market. Just do it. Oh, now it's going to fail again? Come on. That is deflating. All right, I'm out. I'm out. That is crazy. All right, now we wait. Let's see. Maybe it just wants to touch the VWAP here, but I don't know. Well, there's just no need to chase it, I guess. It's wild to me how we can be so bullish and then the buyers just completely evaporate. Now this might be the pump here. Yeah, now it might trap both directions here. Who knows? Be patient. Feel like we need to wait, see what happens here at the VWAP. You should consider DCA. Uh-oh. Isn't my strategy typically follow the trend and wait for a pullback, or you're considering this still an upward trend? I mean, yeah, TK, like that's really the loaded question, to be honest. And I feel like maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong in the New York session. But I look at this like, I mean, this is the big move. So I don't know. I look at this like, okay, we're in an upwards trend. But yeah, once we break kind of this level right here, I should probably just look for shorts. It's just very difficult for me to, I don't know. That's where I struggle. I struggle to consider like, now, if we try and make new highs, like if we see a move higher and we fail to make new highs and then we reverse, then in my mind, I can accept the fact that we might be going lower. But when we just do this right here, it just doesn't, I have a hard time switching my bias to the shorts, but probably what I'm doing wrong sometimes is when this New York session happens, this is been my arch nemesis. All right, well, now here we are through the VWAP. I have no idea where this wants to go. And I feel like this is as good of a place to get a bounce as any. I'm going to try it. This is as good of a chance to get a nice bounce as any. And if we're wrong, we're wrong. Thing might just bleed lower. If it does, I'm going to get this is where I get so frustrated. I expend all my mental capital. These markets still does not feel like we have buyers stepping in. Or Tradify MFU, is yesterday and today counted as a single trading? No, those. So Tradeify and MFU, it is counted as two separate trading days. Apex is considered one trading day. Yesterday and today is one traded day. Here we go. Here we go again. Really gotta see. I mean, I want to see like a 40-point rip here in one candle. Just can't seem to get it going. It still looks like we're just gonna go lower. Crazy. Hey, let's go, Charles Ward. This is only retracement. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we didn't bounce here at the 15-minute low. Looks like we're not going to bounce now at the VWAP. I don't know where I guess we won't bounce. Wild. Unbelievable. I think I need to stop trading the New York session. Oh. Okay, maybe. We gotta get up through that 22,000s though. We gotta get through that. Come on. Just do it. $907.50. $907.50. You think we're going all the way down to $907.50? Kiss me, I cook. You scare me. That is a scary thought. Nice wick sniper. Let's go. Come on. Right here. Do it. Keep going. Gotta get this thing going. And I trying to be patient. It just seems like it can't do it. What did I do with my Apex accounts? Nothing. Well, I did. I traded them like a madman. Well, we might. I mean, this just doesn't look like it wants to go. Crazy. Rip it. Yeah, it looks like we might be consolidating, which I'm okay with. I'm okay consolidation. If we start to consolidate here, then I'm okay with it. But also, yeah, here we go. Let's see if the lows hold or not. I mean, do I really just need to start going short here? It's so crazy how this always happens in the New York session right now. Yeah, looks like we're gonna make new lows. Wild. Maybe we just sweep this and then bounce. Whatever we do, market, if you're gonna rip lower, do it. Do not stop me out and then go higher. Whatever you do, you can do anything you want, but don't stop me out and then go higher. That's the only thing I ask. I don't ask for much. Perhaps a DCA will fix this. Oh, I know, Orlando. And it's also like, I mean, this sounds weird, but lately it seems like streaming is like a curse. Like when I'm not streaming, it's way easier to get a good trade in. I don't know why. I've had that like I've had that happen in the past where it's just weird because I don't think I'm doing anything different than what I'm doing when I'm not streaming. Like I don't feel like I'm trading any different, but it just seems like so much harder to get a nice trade in. All right, now give me hope. Come on. Give me hope. Rip it. Really need to get above this 22,000. Keep going. Come on, just keep going. Close the trade. Might have to if this doesn't go. It's got to go right now. Gotta go. Come on, market. Don't tease like this. Just go. It's unbelievable. The New York session does me in. Yeah, I think it's probably more like the New York session is my problem, not streaming isn't the issue. It's the New York session, but just pop it for once. Good grief. So annoying. I don't know why. I just get so annoyed. So easily annoyed with this kind of price action. Triggers me. Oh no, Zero Cool. I mean, that's what I needed. Well, not to get funded, but I needed it to get my 1 day in. Now pop it! Come on! Seriously gonna have issues if this doesn't rip through this now. Come on. Can't believe I'm getting frustrated. Oh, the day and the morning that I've had so far, it's crazy that how this is triggering me now already. It's so annoying. Oh, annoying. It's resisting the 21 EMA? What do you mean? That right here is the 21 EMA. It hasn't even come close to it. It can't get above the 22,000s. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, this is actually crazy. Wait, why would you guys say it's hitting the 21 EMA? Oh my word. Are you kidding me? I'm actually going to get triggered. Do I hate this? I just hate it so much. I'm glad I locked myself out of my Apex accounts. Let's just say that. Yeah, I know, Dandelion Dan. I never thought I would get frustrated today with. I'm like, and I'm not that frustrated, but I'm annoyed. Seriously thinking about just getting out. We are starting to put in a shelf here, right here at this 970s. Seem to be holding. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. We might be getting stopped out right here. Yeah. Unbelievable. You just can't make this up. It's insane. Oh. At least it keeps going down. Just keep going, man. So annoyed. We really are going to retrace this whole move like it never happened. Unbelievable. Is there news coming? Is there some kind of news that I didn't get? I mean, this feels good though. I mean, I don't mind, like, this doesn't annoy me that much because at least it keeps going lower now. It's just wild. Now we're in a full just sell-off mode. I did want 40-point bars. Maybe I should have been more specific on what direction I was looking for. I probably should have just taken my profit here. I guess when we were struggling to get to the 22,000s, I was probably a little bit too stubborn. I should have just taken my profits, but man, I really did think we'd see at least an attempt to retest like the opening range low. But nope. Just straight down. Straight up, straight down. You know what? If I could figure out a way to trade the shorts momentum or like continuation short trades as well as my long trades, we'd be in business. We would be in business. Oh, you're on the 1-minute chart. Yeah, that would be why. You want me to take a short now? Just to tease the market? Yeah, Travis, overnight trading and this morning trading. When the market was being more reasonable when I made the money. Now I don't know, man. That's why it's called ripping and dipping. This might be the rip we're looking for. Watch, this will be the one. But now I'm too scared to jump in. You're in best guess trading? Hey, good luck, sir. Going to feel like 44 degrees Celsius on Sunday during the round. Might be able to hit 300 yards this week. Yeah, Matt, it's going to be hot. It is going to be hot. Oh my God. Nice one, Kiss Me I Cooked. I forgot that you had that 907. Nice trade. Nice trade. Now we'll go all the way back up again. We actually might. I'm having serious thoughts about. The other option is to just walk away for the day. I will get it. Hang on. I want to see. Is my trade of 8? My trade if I fixed? No, it is not. Man. All right, is this a short setup here? One micro at a time. Let's go, Zero Cool. You got this. Yeah, I feel like right now I could still walk away for the day and I mean, I'm still very happy, obviously. I'm just annoyed at this price action in the New York session, that's all. Just gotta start accepting the fact that these moves just happen a lot more frequently than they used to. See, now I want to go. I feel like this could trap the shorts, and now we're going to rip higher. I'm going to give it one more chance. One more. Final trade of the session. If this is going to rip and make new lows, then we just call it a day. Got to break above the 40s. Come on. Why is this tease me? Don't be this gonna get me. If this gets me, we're definitely gonna call. I'm gonna go mow the lawn. 100%. Rip it. Come on. Get in here, bulls. Yeah, I know, RX. We keep trying to buy the bottom. I keep thinking I might just be totally wrong. I don't like how long this is taking. The longer this just kind of hangs around here, the bigger issues we are going to have. The longer this just fiddles around here at the 940s, I don't like it. Gotta pop here. Come on. Pop it. Oh my. I might actually have to kill this. It's real life. This is this makes new lows. I'm actually going mad. Is it worth it? Okay, right here. That's what I want to see. Now pop it back above the 40s like you mean it. I need to see momentum here. Come on. Stop with the diddling. Gotta pop. Go. Go. Get above those 40s. Rip it. Go. Go. Why do I trade? Why do I do this? Why? Why do we put ourselves through this? Pop it. Come on. Do it. Now go. Go. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Go. Keep going. All right, I'm going to take 2 off right there. All right, let's see if we can't get a push back up to the EMA here and the VWAP. Man, that was painful, man. That was painful. My target is scaring the market away. Yeah, we've all seen it. It's a real deal. It's a real thing. Come on. Give me one big rip. Kill me. We're kind of back to square one here. Imagine if I would have went short. Because I was thinking about it. I almost went short right here. Imagine if I did. I'd be so mad right now. Might still be a short though, I guess. There's a chance of that. Hmm. Come on. Go! Whoa, 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 whoa! What was that? What was that? Man, I might take a short here. Gee, yay, yay, yay. What was that? That was crazy. Now let's see if this is gonna sweep or not. And I might take a short here. If this 860 level doesn't hold, we got a long way down. Oh, Ruben Ernest. Oh man. That's that's unfortunate. Hey, the short was the play right there. I mean, just follow the downtrend right now. That's just gotta follow the trend, the short-term trend. Wow, crazy. We had how big of a move was that? That was from the 960s, almost 100-point drop right there. Man. What indicators am I using from affordable indicators? I'm just using the account dashboard and the chart trader from affordable indicators. If I can do a video on my NinjaTrader setup, maybe. Yeah, I could do that possibly at some point. Okay, let's see. Is this going to just continue lower? I feel like it will. And it's crazy. I guess we look for shorts now. Man. Gotta change your bias. The shorts are in command. The bears have taken over. Hey, his raw trades. Just scalp 5 minis here. I don't know, but man, I tell you one thing. I am so happy. Oh, I am so happy that I locked myself out of my Apex accounts before the market opened. I could definitely see a path where things would have just completely fallen apart on this kind of move. So let's look on the bright side. The session low, so the session low, these are indicators from this is the initial balance from Trade Devil indicators. We do have support right here, the 860s, 850 area. This is definitely an area of support. If this does not hold, then But look again, look at these moves. Like, it is just crazy to me. I need to stop being so surprised though, because it sure seems like it happens a lot. Here we are at the 850s. And I want to try along so bad again. I'm not sure why I have this resounding urge to go long and catch this knife. DCA prices are on sale. Yeah, it's Trade Devil Indicators, the fund to grind. I think there's a link in the description below. And I think if you use code, I'm not even sure, NBT, it should get you a discount. Yeah, it is quad witching day, M. Susan. Yeah, that's true. That is true as well. What is the target for Apex to get a payout? On these 5 accounts, it would be $5,100. So we're basically $1,000 away. On these accounts, I'm gonna try to get him to like 7,500 is the plan. What is the indicator's name for session high? Initial balance is what it's called, the funded grind. Initial balance. Gosh, I am going to be an idiot here. Gonna be an idiot. Don't be like me. Probably just should have scalped it. So gonna regret this. All right, we actually need to walk away today. This is insane. I'm gonna end up going on tilt yet. I give up. I give up, man. I can't. I'm not sure if it's the New York session or if it's my stream. I can't trade when I stream, or I can't trade the New York session. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's one of those. Might be both. It's me. It probably is me. It probably is. Unbelievable. We went from the 22 120s. $300-point move lower. Okay, then. All right. Sorry, I'm chatting over here. Stop taking longs. Oh, I know I do. I know. I know it's bad. I have a disease. I have a disease. I give up. I give up. Hey, this looks like another long opportunity here. Don't tempt me with a good time here. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna wait. Why not, RX, right? Why not? I mean, it looks like a good long. It can't just go down forever, can it? Can't believe we were $150 away and we were fine, and now we're $620 away. Look, I should have gone long, guys. I said. No. You can't make this up. Watch this actually be the rip higher. If it is, we definitely need to walk away. uh the dump took out. Yeah, we took out the 850s. And I feel like the chance of us like actually filling the gap all the way down to the 700s is realistic. Now that I'm short bias, you know what to do, guys. You all know what to do. Wow. See, I can't bring myself to short. I refrain from going long, so you guys should be proud of me. Okay? I refrained myself from going long, but I couldn't do the short. I couldn't do it. Ugh. That's crazy though. Actually crazy that we just keep dropping. Unbelievable. Is there a Trump on the mic? Yeah, that exactly, Citizen Zero. I don't know. I don't know that there. I was looking for news. I couldn't find anything. I just don't. It is wild how much selling we're seeing here. Everything is just. I really need to just take shorts. Just need to take shorts. Hey, thank you, Perry. I appreciate it. I was having a better day trying to trade these My Fund the Future accounts. I can't get a winning trade for the life of me. Go figure. Go figure. Oh, really? Iran officials say there are no negotiations under fire. Oh, so they want a ceasefire before they start negotiating, which I think that's fair. Yeah, I know, David. I get it. I mean, it's definitely a red. I mean, I need to be looking at taking shorts. There's something wrong with my brain. I can't bring myself to do it. See that pump higher? Looks like a long to me, guys. This looks like a good long right here. Don't shoot the messenger. One of these times I'm going to be right. One of these days. What are the trade day payout rules? They have daily payouts. Once you get above, very similar to Take Profit Trader. I don't have to figure this out. That is true. That is true. I don't have to, but I want to. See? Oh. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to force myself to take a short trade. All right? We are going to take a short entry here. Because what could go wrong? What could go wrong? Well, come on, market. Don't do this. I wasn't ready. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, market. Really? Can't even get an entry there. Ain't. Don't do it, Niles. Don't do it. Now you guys, wait, are you guys saying it's no longer a short? I'm supposed to go long now? Unbelievable. Why, you guys are confusing me. All right, chat, tell me. Tell me to go long or short. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm going short. Go ahead. Go ahead, market. Make fun of me. I dare you. Go ahead. We get stopped out here. Just say good game. Target right there. GG. GG if we get stopped here. I'm not kidding. We're going to go mow the lawn if we get stopped. I'm expecting, I'm full on expecting us to get stopped. Hey, it's gonna either, it's gonna, if it's gonna do it, do it. I mean, technically the 700 should be in play. Technically. Oh my. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. I'm here to help. Actually insane. I don't even know how this is possible. How? How can you actually just have such a crazy good session pre-market and then just completely every single trade is wrong. Every single one. It's not even close. I'm just glad we're locked in on our Apex accounts. That's what matters. Right now I can't trade my Tradeify accounts, and it's just wild how this consistently get it wrong, and it's just crazy. New York session seriously sucks. Yeah, Rick. Don't tempt me with a good time. It's seriously gonna go higher now. This is gonna be the low of day. Watch. Watch. This will be the low of day. Actually wild. Oh man. This this is crazy. I mean, what are the chances? Actually annoyed. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. There's just no reason to keep doing this. Lock in a good day and just try not to get too annoyed. Trying not to get too annoyed by this. But it's annoying. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Happy Friday. Oh, my camera stopped working. Okay, I see that. Oh, that's a good sign. It's still a good day. It's just very weirdly frustrating that I can't trade the New York session. I just can't do it. I don't know why. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate you. Hope you guys had a green day. Take care.